Hey guys, we are getting on the Ruby Princess. We are so excited because we're about to get on the cruise, and I'm just so excited right now. Like I had so much anxiety at first, but now I'm feeling so relieved because we just finished going through check-in, and it is a very simple process, y'all. So first we got here. There is a lot of parking spaces, but try to get a reservation ahead of time. You can save yourself some money. Call it ahead, go online, and you can reserve those ahead of time. And the sooner you do it, the closer you get to the port. Second, make sure to get the app and download the app. Get through the check-in so you can get one of these medallions. They call them the medallions because you go through a quicker line. You don't have to go through all that check-in process, like checking your name and all that stuff. None of that. You just come in, they ask you to give you your medallion, and you go straight through. Finally, make sure you have all your documents like your passport, your IDs, and if you're, from out of country, make sure you have your green cards available, ready on hand, and you get through the process super streamlined. And it's very quick, very easy. It took us maybe 5 minutes. There's no lines that we had to stand through because we were ready, and we'll show you guys how to make sure you're ready too.
That's the ship, y'all! Wow! We're here! Look at that! The Ruby Princess. We're gonna walk through there. We're gonna go in there. I can't wait.
Have a nice trip.
Thank you.
With the best in the business, DJ Calvin.
Hi. I'm having the best time.
I'm on a highway to hell. Whoa, look at that old military ship. Or is it new?
It is refurbished. It feels so good up here.
Does it feel good? Why are you wearing a jacket?
It's cold in a good way.
Cold in a good way?
It feels like salty freedom.
That's like, that sounds like the name of a candle. Salty Freedom.
Or an album.
Now, there we go. Whoa, what's over here?
The sanctuary.
Sanctuary.
Oh, sanctuary.
Remember who yelled that? Disney.
Who?
Who in Disney yells that?
Who's that?
It was Quasimodo's mom. Whenever she yells,
I never saw that movie.
she bangs on the cathedral doors yelling, "Sanctuary! Sanctuary!" Asking for sanctuary.
Ooh. It didn't went well for her, didn't it?
Nope.
No, it didn't.
Do 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 do. So where are we?
We're in Galveston, and look at it over there.
Wow.
They have a Mardi Gras party over there, that way.
Mardi Gras.
It gets lit up in there.
Where did we park?
Over there.
We parked like right over there. Yeah, right there.
The shuttle was really fast, really convenient. The seating was comfortable and clean.
Uh-huh.
Recommend it. Don't stress out where you park. Really, they have nice shuttle.
So why don't you tell us what we've done so far today?
Huh?
What have we done so far today?
We should nap and eat good food.
Right.
We thought we were gonna go and recording a lot of educational things, and then we're just like, you see my eyes still fluffy? It hair's still fluffy. Yeah, it came from a rough nap.
We actually got woken up by the emergency drill. and we're like, oh, it's 30 minutes until we set off. It's about to be 4 p.m. We got here about what? 10. We went to go sign in. Then we went to go eat lunch. Then we went to go take a nice long nap with the door open because we got a balcony room.
You can park over there too. You have to have a reservation though.
Oh yeah, you can park over there. Oh no, right there. That's it. That's the parking.
You can park right there.
You park right there and then walk on that little bridge right into the terminals.
So make sure you make a reservation for your own good. You're welcome.
Next time we're definitely gonna do that. We're probably gonna have to do that with the next cruise.
Yes, please. I feel ashamed around here.
Why do you feel ashamed?
Some people still wearing masks.
Some people, but most people are not.
But though some people is what matter, it makes me feel bad.
Oh, okay. Well, why don't you tell everybody what the COVID restrictions are like right now?
None.
None?
Yes.
That's right. So no tests, no vaccination required, no masks. But everybody should still be careful, right?
Everybody seems very cautious.
Should be cautious.
They hit the buffet.
Ahead, and about 2.5 miles after we leave the berth, we'll enter the main Houston ship channel and continue out to the pilot station where we'll disembark our local pilots. Degrees of 10 to 15 knots, the high of 25 Celsius, that is 77 degrees Fahrenheit. As we head south into the Gulf of Mexico, and in fact whenever the ship goes out to sea, please be aware that the ship may experience some movement, possibly without warning.
It is so nice and
please mind
peaceful.
the movement of the ship
Yeah.
at all times. Use the handrails.
Let's go join the party.
Zoom.
And making sure
Ooh,
that
zoomy
anything
zoom.
that rolls or is likely to move in your cabin is appropriately
Let's go to the party.
Yeah.
Well, that's about it for me for now. I'll be back tomorrow at noon with an update on the way.
Just 8 days right here on the Ruby Princess!
I found a girl.
Are they so attractive? I told y'all.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your cruise director, Mika Waitano.
Once again, a very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Ruby Princess. If you are ready for a great vacation, come on, make some noise! Like Tim said, my name is Mika. It's my pleasure to be your cruise director for these next 7 days. And what a great way to start the cruise off. We are on the Love Boat and our newly engaged couple. Congratulations to you. Yeah, all right. Great. Well, once you have made the right choice choosing the Ruby Princess, we are the best ship in the fleet and on the 7 seas because we have the best crew on board of the 7 seas. Now, cruising boats is all about meeting new friends, and strangers are just friends we haven't met yet. So let's turn to the person to the left of you and say, good afternoon. Turn to the person to the left of you and say, good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you, sir.
Turn to the person to the right of you and say, welcome aboard!
Welcome aboard.
Beautiful. If you know this song, folks, we want to see you sing along, clap
the YMCA.